Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the car safe and accessible. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts. Once done, open the hood and remove the visible plastic clips or 10 mm bolts holding the headlight trim. That gives you clearance. Make sure you have the correct replacement bulb. Check the owner's manual or the old bulb for type H4, HB3, etc. You're removing external restraints now so you can reach the bulb access cover quickly and without force. Next, you get into the delicate part, extracting the bulb. Remove the rubber or plastic access cover by twisting or pulling straight off, then press the tab and pull the electrical connector from the bulb. Release the metal retaining clip or twist the bulb counterclockwise, keeping track of its orientation so the new bulb seats correctly. Do not touch the glass envelope. Skin oils shorten bulb life, so use gloves or a clean tissue. Once removed, inspect the socket and connector for corrosion. Clean gently if necessary to ensure good. Now you install the new bulb and verify operation. Place the bulb in the same orientation as the old one, secure the retaining clip or twist until it's seated snugly, then replace the access cover. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and test high and low beams. Make sure both work and adjust aim if the beam pattern is off. If you see flicker or no light, check the headlight fuse, inspect connector pins for damage, and confirm the bulb is fully seated. Swapping with a known good bulb pinpoints the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.